Uploading a video on YouTube correctly is the first step toward growing your channel successfully. Many beginners make small mistakes that reduce views, so it is important to follow the right process from the very beginning. First, make sure your video file is ready, properly edited, and saved in a high-quality format. Next, open YouTube Studio and click on the Upload button to select your video. After uploading, write a clear and engaging title that explains what your video is about and includes important keywords. Then add a detailed description so viewers and YouTube can better understand your content. Choose relevant tags that help your video reach the right audience. Finally, upload an attractive thumbnail that grabs attention and increases your click-through rate. This video is prepared by private label experts. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and share it with others so they can benefit as well.